Hi, I wanted to give you guidance on how to unlock your class account. Again, teachers of young children, primary age children, and of special education children can request for the Dodea IT division to make them a class account, and they use those instead of logging in with students' own individual accounts. So if you go to the Online Resources tab on the Hampton website, the third icon is the Password Manager, and we want to unlock somebody's password so that they can get into the network to log into a computer. All right, you have to have your CAT card to do this, and I've been in here today already, so it's not asking me for my login again, but typically you're going to have to put your PIN number in or select your CAT credential. And this is the page. This is how we can unlock or change passwords. So again, I'm going to type in the name of the teacher. Let me see. I'm not a student. I'm not going to search students. I'm going to search class. And any Eaton who has a class account is going to populate. So make sure you find you. All right, so this is my class. The status is okay. It's not locked out. If it was, this would tell me locked out. And I can unlock it. I'm going to click unlock anyways, and you'll see that a little queue pops up. And in a few short seconds, another box will pop up letting us know that that was successful. If I needed to change the password, you click on that. It's going to show you what you have to put in. Because we're adults, it defaults us to the upper grade default password requirements. So it's going to require you to change it every 60 days, and it's got to meet these requirements. So as you're typing in your password, all the complexity requirements that you meet will light up in green, and when everything's green, you'll enter it again. And then you reset the password. If you want to double check what you typed in, click this box and it'll show the password instead of the black dots. Don't check this box, or when you log in with this, it's going to require you to reset it again. So don't check that box. You'll hit the reset password, and just like here, it queued it and then it was successful. It'll do the same exact thing. And again, this is to log into computers with your class account. You can request an class account to be created by the IT department by visiting the IT service request. Thank you.